Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp fajitas. If you don't eat shellfish, that's okay. You can use any type of meat for this recipe. I'm using 1 pound of clean, dried shrimp. I'm going to pour a little avocado oil on it, give it a quick stir, making sure the shrimp is fully coated with the oil. Then I will spread it out and sprinkle my seasonings on top. I'm using Slap Your Mama Cajun Seasoning, dried oregano, and chili powder. I'll drizzle a little more avocado oil just to help the seasonings to spread more easily when mixed. And I'm going to let this sit on my counter to marinate while I prep everything else. My cilantro has already been rinsed off. I'm going to give it a quick chop and I will set this aside. And then next, I'm going to make my own little specialty sauce. I'm using Greek yogurt, avocado mayo, Cajun seasoning, a little cayenne pepper, and lime juice. And I'm going to make this to taste. I do encourage you to give this a trial run before you commit to adding this to your fajitas. You only need a tablespoon of the mayo and Greek yogurt. If you don't like avocado mayonnaise, you can substitute with regular mayonnaise. And if you don't like Greek yogurt, you can also substitute with sour cream. I'm going to refrigerate this sauce and the cilantro while I finish up the recipe. I'm using a green, yellow, and red bell pepper, and I'm going to cut all of them into 1/4 inch wide strips. I'm going to use half of a white onion, cut it into half moon slices. Now I'll saute the shrimp in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil on a medium-high heat. The shrimp only takes about 4 minutes to cook, so that's 2 minutes per side. When you make yours, try not to overcook your shrimp, because if you do, it just becomes so rubbery and not pleasing to the palates. Okay, so try not to overdo it. Just before it's done, I'll squeeze a little lime juice on top, remove it from the wok. I added in those bell peppers and the onions. I reduced the heat down to medium, and I just let this cook until those vegetables were to my likeness. Okay, I still wanted them to have just a little bite. I didn't want no soft, mushy vegetables. So as you can see, I used my lid just to get it to steam up a little bit and to help it to soften a little bit quicker. Yeah, so this took just under 10 minutes and it still had some bite to it. So yay, I was really happy about that. So I added a little black pepper, some oregano, and some Cajun seasoning to the vegetables, gave it a little mix. And then I added a touch of lime juice. And then I'm just going to sit the shrimp in here. Now at this point, the stove is off. This is done cooking. I'm just sitting the shrimp there and I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. That's it. Now to put it all together, I just used I believe this was a 6-inch tortilla shell. And of course, as you can see, I added some avocado slices and that specialty sauce, which was so good, by the way. Then I'm going to add everything else on top. And my, this was so good and it looks amazing. Like, this looks so amazing. To finish this up, I'm going to add a little more lime juice, and those limes were kind of dry. I wasn't getting a whole lot of juice like I wanted to, which was, I don't know what was up with that, but I added some of that chopped cilantro, and I also found some feta cheese in my freezer. I was so happy to find that, and I sprinkled that on top as well. Then I'm going to try it for y'all on camera. This was so good. So I hope that you guys will give this recipe a try. Come back and let me know how your food turned out. As always, I thank you so much for your support on this channel. Y'all are awesome and I appreciate you so much. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.